Good morning, friends. This is Anu from Anubala's Kitchen. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today, I'm going to show you a very different burger recipe. This is my own recipe again, bread burger sandwich recipe. Now, yesterday night, this recipe came into my mind and I couldn't wait to try. So, I am doing this for breakfast today. The procedure is little elaborate because there are a lot of elements, but it is very simple to do. Do watch the entire video to see all the steps and do try at home. It's very easy, very delicious, and your kids will love it and they'll ask for more. Now we will see how to make the burger. So we will start making this bread burger sandwich. The first step is to cut the bread into rounds like this. I will show you how to do one. I've done one. Just take a bread slice and take any katori. Just see whether it fits the size of the bread, and then keep it over the bread and press it. Give pressure and press it and gently turn here. See, this is ready. Now we will cut all the bread like that. So the bread slices are ready now. Don't throw away the cut pieces. Use it for making bread crumbs. Now we will cut the paneer. Okay. This is 200 grams of paneer. I'm cutting it into two. And then we will use a small katori and again make this into a round. See, this is ready now. We'll cut the other one also like that. See, the paneer is also cut into rounds now. We will see what is the next step now. Now we will make a powder to coat the paneer. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, and 1/4 cup of the bread pieces, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, and some salt to taste. Now we will grind this to a coarse powder. Now this is ready now. We will be coating the paneer with this, and then we will be grilling the paneer. Now we will be making one cheese spread. For that I am taking 1 tablespoon of cheese. To that 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Then 1/8 teaspoon of mustard powder. This is optional. You can not add if you do not want. Now we will mix this. And this cheese spread is ready now. Now we will coat the paneer. Now we will see how to coat the paneer. I am just applying some milk, to wet the paneer so that it will coat well. Now take a generous portion of the powder and coat both sides well. Now little more milk, we will do a double coating. See, now it is coated with a thick layer of this powder. Now we will coat the other paneer also. So you can see we have coated the paneer circles with the thick layer of that powder. Now we will let this paneer rest and we will see next what we have to make. Now the next step is we will saute some onions and capsicums. I've heated a pan and I'm adding little butter. To melt the butter, I'm adding onions now. Saute it on a high flame. The onions are turning pink now. I'm adding sliced capsicum. Now we will saute this on a high flame till it caramelizes a little bit. I'm adding some salt to taste. Remember to add salt only for this element, that is onions and capsicum, because we are adding salt in other elements also. Then 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. This is done now. We will switch off the gas and I will be adding 1/2 teaspoon of honey. 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Add and give a good mix. Heating up a tawa now. We will add little butter. Then we will place the paneer and we will grill it till the underside turns golden and crisp. We will now gently turn it. We will cook the other side and then we will cook it back again. Turn again. Cook the other side once more for just few seconds and then we will switch it off. So friends, this paneer patty is ready now. Now we will start assembling the burger, but before that I will grill the bread slices. So I've heated a grill pan. You can use your dosa tawa itself if you don't have a grill pan. Now I'm going to toast this buttered slices on both sides till it turns golden and crispy. I'm sprinkling some sesame seeds. Now we will turn to the other side. Just cook it for a second or two, that's enough. And we will grill rest of the bread slices similarly. Now we will see how to assemble the burger. First I'm taking 2 slices of bread. I'm applying some cheese spread. I'm making one. Then another set. Now this will be the base of the burger. Now we will assemble the burger. Some more cheese spread. And I'm arranging some cucumber slices. Some tomatoes. The paneer patty that we made. Some sauteed capsicum and onions. Be generous with your filling. Then a cheese slice. And then some spread again. Just a little bit. and then we will close the burger, and then we will hold all the elements together with a toothpick. It's a small skewer actually, not toothpick. Now we will grill this burger just for few seconds. So I'm going to grill this now. The pan is hot. There is little butter in that. That's enough. Now we will just grill it for a few seconds and then it will be ready to serve. So friends, this bread burger sandwich is absolutely ready to be served now. So friends, this melt in mouth bread burger sandwich is ready now. I have made a dip with all the leftover ingredients, that is a cheese dip, the powder that I made for coating, some milk and some ketchup and little butter. I mixed it well, and some crumble paneer too to make the dip. You can serve it with ketchup also, that's fine, or some green chutney also will be very good. I hope you all enjoyed watching this new recipe of mine. Do try. It is little elaborate, but it will be worth it. And do leave a feedback in my channel. Do subscribe to my channel and do refer your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.